Hey YouTube, Jim here. Welcome to Top 10 Archive. Perhaps you've noticed that one of the biggest trolls on the internet lately has a cartoon redhead for a face. The best part about this picture is that we didn't have to Photoshop it. Yes, Wendy's knows that trolling can sometimes make for great marketing, as we'll highlight with these 10 times Wendy's owned social media. Now before we get started, why not help us out by clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll see all of our new uploads. Give it a thumbs up if you ended up liking it, and let us know in the comments section what you think of Wendy's approach at marketing.
Number 10. Asking for a friend. Wendy's plays hard against big contenders like In-N-Out, Burger King, and of course, McDonald's. In our first example of a Wendy's takedown, we have the genius response to a McDonald's tweet about the freshness of their beef. Today, we've announced that by mid-2018, all quarter-pounder burgers at the majority of our restaurants will be cooked with fresh beef. Wendy's social media team saw the same weak spots the rest of Twitter did, and within 3 hours, capitalized on someone else's mess-up in true ginger fashion. Wendy's came to the rescue, tweeting back with, "So you'll still use frozen beef in most of your burgers in all of your restaurants? Asking for a friend." Probably the best part of all, which you'll find is extremely common among Wendy's tweets, that their reply got nearly 25 times more hearts than the original post. Number 9. Nope, you failed. Next, hot off the seat warmer, we have our next McDonald's takedown by Wendy's. And the beauty is McDonald's didn't do anything wrong this time. Some guy named Eric tweeted a picture of his McDonald's bag being warmed by his seat warmers with the tag, "I hope every person who ever thought I would fail sees this." With just 7 words, Wendy's gave Eric a virtual side-eye and runway walk away with a hair flip with, "Looks at logo on bag. You failed." I'm no expert, but something tells me seat warmers won't help with that burn. Number 8. Party on, Garth. The great thing about Wendy's is they can be hilarious without always being insulting. When Wendy's was told about how a follower's 20 dorm mates hated her because when they asked her for the address for a party, she gave them the address for Wendy's, Wendy's responded days later saying, "Could you please pick up your friends? It's been 3 days." Sounds like Wendy's doesn't just tweet, but also knows how to party for 3 days straight with sorority girls. Number 7. How to make friends. Next is an example of how Wendy's doesn't just shoot down trolls, but also lifts up supporters. One of their Twitter followers posted, "My go-to conversation starter is talking about at Wendy's $4 for 4. Usually, Wendy's would have gone straight for the weak spot, their typos. However, Wendy is still maternal despite her cold-hearted clapbacks. The chain responded with, "How to win friends and influence people." Straight and to the point. Number 6. Let's get Steak and Shake today. It looks like Steak and Shake didn't realize that Wendy's has eyes everywhere, and not just on their direct competitors. They coincidentally didn't mention them on a tweet that certainly meant to start some beef. The competitor posted a new girl GIF of 2 characters looking uncomfortable, stating, "When your friend suggests going to Wendy's, that's #when things get awkward." As a response, Wendy's went straight for the kill with, "Oh, hey, snake and fake. Think you dropped this at maybe leave the subs to the sandwich shops and leave the cheeseburgers to us." As Steak and Shake lay bleeding and gasping for one last breath, a random commenter smothers their face with, "This is the first beef Steak and Shake has had in a while." Ooh, that's harsh. Number 5. Wendy's secret boyfriend. Among the brutal takedowns and support of its followers, we also find tiny love stories. Like that time Frank's Red Hot tweeted them, "Hey, at Wendy's, you up?" And a whole conversation ensues, during which Frank's Red Hot threw out a super casual, "Maybe we should get together sometime." Ooh, saucy puns were thrown around, and a crowd gathered with virtual popcorn to stare in awe as the internet offered top-notch entertainment. Some even stated they'd write a fan fiction about it, while others asked for when the wedding was. Like most viral threads, the comment section on this one will bring hours of entertainment. Number 4. Where's the nearest McDonald's? It can't all be love, though. At number 4, we're right back to smackdowns where we want them. Twitter loves to poke the bear, and that's exactly what happened to user Gabe, who was bold enough to ask Wendy's, "From Wendy's, where's the nearest McDonald's?" with no question mark. Wendy's varies in how much she decides to respond. Sometimes it's long and elaborate. Others, it's a 2-word, "I don't have time for this" response. This was the latter. To Gabe, from Wendy's, a simple and cold, straight downhill. We see you, Wendy's. Our favorite fan response to this tweet was the basketball gif of a slam dunk with the faces changed to Wendy and Ronald McDonald. Genius! Number 3. Master Mimar. If you're going to try and take down people on social media, you need 2 things: to be quick and witty and to be good with memes. If you don't have both, just throw the towel in now. Wendy's patted itself on the back after a streak of great social media takedowns by posting a meme of themselves as a car salesperson slapping the roof of a Twitter brand car. The meme read, "This bad boy can fit so much in it." Even though you can go after Burger King, Steak and Shake, and McDonald's, this just goes to show that you can be hilarious on social media and not even have to tear down the competition. Or rather, Wendy's can do that. The rest of us can't. Number 2. You got served. Even though we're limited to 280 character limits on Twitter, Wendy's somehow managed to fit 1 million. After being asked, "Going to In-N-Out, what should I get?" Any other burger place would have suggested something In-N-Out doesn't have on the menu, but that they do. They could try a variety of tactics to entice them to change their mind. Wendy's? They just went for the 1-word shutdown. Their response to "Going to In-N-Out, what should I get?" Simply, "Out." Mic drop. Number 1. Wendys LP. Sure, Wendy's earned a rep for being hilarious. They stuck to their strategy and they haven't stopped. They're already social media gurus. But then, they dropped their mixtape. That's right, Wendy's went from burger joint to Twitter master to hip-hop artist. After the aforementioned Steak and Shake incident, they dropped a mixtape bashing, well, pretty much everyone. The mixtape has 5 songs, each with their own topic. We have Twitter Fingers, Holding It Down, Resting Grease, Clowning, and 4 for $4. Who else puts together an entire mixtape for the likes? Only Wendy's. Thanks for watching. Quickly now, subscribe, ring the bell, like and share this video, and leave your comment below. Are you done? Okay, great. Now I'm hungry. Anyone else want to go meet me at Wendy's for a bite?